couple other goodies. I made a new infrared beacon, which is nearly dead, very dead. And this is the new transmitter of death. And I will show you, well, I'll show you quickly here. There'll be another video just for the transmitter, but we got NES plug there, 2 USBs, keyboard and mouse PS2s, on-off switches. It's a net server, Ethernet jacks right there. We have infrared in and out right there. Clicky joystick and touch screen. So we'll fire this baby up. It'll splash screen for a second.
Main menu. What would you like to do?
To all my homies. That was Gadget Gangster, Spark Fun, Parallax, and of course, Let's Make Robots. So this is my main screen. And actually, if I turn on my motor driver there, which is also my battery level indicator, you can see here 12.7 volts in the drive battery, 7 volts or so in the data battery, and if I turn on servos, there's the servo battery right there. And this soon will be showing the battery level inside here. Amps for left and right motor, clock, there's a real-time clock in here. This is our this is the mode we're in, and any status updates, that's just test, text, and here are cool buttons. So let's see what Mr. Walter can do here. The first thing I'll do, running these DeWalt drill motors, one of them has to be running in reverse because it's on the other side of the robot. So drill motors are far more efficient one direction, not the other direction, so calibrating them is important. I found that I work off of a 100 millisecond desired time, and then to change the speed that I calibrate at, it's the number of counts that have gone by, and I found that a certain number of counts equals a certain feet per second, and I've determined all that. So when I hit calibrate here, calibrate, if I get out of the light, calibrate, go.
Engage.
You can see the wheels are spinning, and here on my display you can see these gauges I coded. They are showing how long it's counting those holes that go by. In this case, it's 9 counts at 100 milliseconds is 3/4 of a foot per second. And 6 counts at 100 milliseconds is a half a foot per second. So you'll see that's regular speed, and in a second it will, right there, that's the slow speed. Okay, you can see it flow by there. You can see the little triangles at the bottom showing if we sped up or slowed down.
Main menu. What would you like to do?
Since the last time we did. Alright. We've got, games.
Good choice.
Shall we play a game?
Yes, we shall. So what I will do is I will hit yes.
Would you like to play rock, paper, scissors?
Yes, I would, Mr. Walter. We'll hit yes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, shoot.
You can see here I've got my rock, paper, scissors. Let's do paper.
I choose rock.
I won.
You chose paper. You have won. This game is rather silly. I am going to do something else. Main menu. What would you like to do?
Now, the next cool thing we've got is this Wii camera. This is the camera from a Wii remote. And this is a very, very powerful laser. And because of the alignment of these two things and the triangle they create, we're able to judge distance off of where the camera sees the dot. So hopefully this camera will have initialized this time. Yeah, baby. Okay, so currently you can see that dot right there tracking me, right? Okay. Well, that's what it looks like right there. You can see those dots Now I'm going to back up, and you can see those dots. I'm moving away from Walter now. The dot is still tracking me. Where is it? Down there. Okay. And but you can see there it is. Now I'm going to move over to one side, and you can see the dots over to that side. I'll move over to this side, and there I am right there. Catch me. Where am I? Where am I? It's hard to do with a camera and a remote. All right. Then again, if I move wicked close, you can see it move all the way to the bottom there. I'm being scanned. There I am in relation to the robot. Okay. And so there is his radar. Now, go back to the main menu here.
Menu. What would you like to do?
We can also use that same system without the laser
Beacon search is activated.
for tracking. Now here you'll see a screen. Now first of all, that that camera is currently searching for a beacon, and hopefully there'll be enough juice left in this little guy, this star-shaped beacon, that hopefully I can catch it. There it is. And you can see on the screen that little crosshair. Come on, catch it. There you go. And if I move, oh, this beacon is dying. If I move to one side or the other, come on, catch it, catch it. If I move to one side or the other, goes to show you should charge your batteries before you show stuff off. But you can see, as I'm moving this beacon around, the camera will track it. It will track it not only up and down. Let me stop that.
Main menu. What would you like to do?
It will track not only up and down, but right and left. And that is actually what's used for docking. This beacon actually sits on this little frame right here, like that, and that's what Walter uses to actually dock. And then there's one more snazzy thing about this remote that I think I might show you, other than the fact, well, you know what? I'm going to make a whole nother remote video, I think. Okay. So, so there's your Walter update for now. There you go. Ting!